Epic.
Bike ride.
Are you fucking kidding me? Wow, that's
See, look at the bling.
that's like out of this world, man.
Isn't that cool? Yep. Put a lightning bolt. Lightning bolt right there. Lightning bolt.
Wow.
Right in the camera, so right there. All right, you're filming.
Hey, hit it.
All right, it's
6:30 on the
18:32 in the evening. Time for an epic bike ride. We've got Gage and a newcomer to the EBR, Quint Beck.
Say hi, Quint.
Hello.
All right, here we go. All right, so that's a nice bike, dude. I'm a little jealous.
I want to know how that new crankset's treating you right
Oh man, it's smooth. Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
It's like a whole new bike.
Right. New bottom drag and new crankset feels good, right?
Oh yeah. I didn't think it was really gonna make that much of a difference. I'm like, oh,
No,
get
and when
this
it
and
does,
be
you're like, what
pissed.
have I been doing all this time?
Oh yeah.
And it matches your shirt nonetheless.
One down.
How the fuck did that happen? How'd that work out for you?
Just like walking straight up the curb.
I can't believe you dumped that bike already. It's looking awesome. Watch out for it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's gonna make you fair, like treacherous even. Oh, whew. What in the fuck did I hit?
Alright, well, that's about the end of that ride.
I'm not gonna lie, that hurt my toe.
Oh! There's a street, there's a street, there's a street.
Where are you going?
Did you slingshot around the sun?
I just slingshot around gravity.
That's right.
Oh.
Sidewalk path would have been a little drier.
Sorry, my fault. Whose idea was this? Is yours or Gage's?
What?
This sidewalk.
This is Gage's idea. Gage's leading the way.
You guys fishing?
Wow.
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Hey. I always fist bump at the start of the EVR. We missed it today. So make us run over today. That'll be why.
Is that, oh, it's a Christmas tree. I was like, is that Super Mario Brothers? Da 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 da.
Initially, I'm like, they're going to abandon it.
Every time Vic gets close, I think there's a car right on us because his freaking light's so bright.
Like, I feel like my light's plenty bright. His is bright to the scene of like coon hunting bright. We'll go this way.
Oh, go this way.
Oh shit!
Gage, were you there when I said we're gonna go this way?
It pointed the other direction.
I'm gonna go this way.
You pointed that way.
I said we're going this
He
direction.
always cuts people off.
Oh,
You can't blame me. I will eat a lot. I will take.
Like
oh,
so
you
slow.
do. Oh, you.
You guys were going so slow. It's like you were intending to hit each other.
Wow. Is he parking? Or
Driving
just,
around like a boss.
yeah.
Just burned right down it.
I was afraid it's gonna be slick as glass. Go straight.
Straight.
Look at the hand signs, Gage. Again.
Of course you have candy.
Look at Fort Arad. We gotta go check that out.
Come to it. We're going right by there. Quinn, are you down to check out Fort Arad?
Yeah.
All right.
Get closer to the fort over there.
Yeah, I've been playing Need for Speed. Oh my God, it's awesome.
Oh really?
Oh, it's so much fun. So much fun. I didn't fist bump you. I always fist bump you at the start of the EBR. I missed it. I got Gage. How do you like my EBR pants? Specifically bought.
Pretty good EBR pants, I think. As long as they're tight to the ankle, so you don't get the
Yeah.
you don't get dragged.
Did I
into the chain
like my
link.
6th grade picture? My face is destroyed from my bell bottoms in the chain.
So I suppose this sidewalk ends here. Yep. Yeah, I missed the turn. I forgot about it.
Oh man, we went down too far. Oh, we're supposed to turn back there.
You miss it?
Yeah, we missed it. Or is that a sidewalk out there?
Sidewalk never ends where you expect it to.
This is where I ate shit.
This is where you ate shit. Right here.
Right here.
That shit. You can still see part of his knee in the concrete over there.
Oh yeah.
I think it might be frowned upon, taking his stairs. I got a spot on me. I don't know if it's mud or seagull shit.
Where?
And there it is.
What gauge? What gauge?
That's Gage though.
In there, the fucking security guard always like goes boom, comes right out on me.
Really?
Alright, dude.
Hello.
And he was totally not watching.
Like do the wibble wobble?
Yeah, dude. Good morning.
I could probably film you guys from over there, except for big freaking
The Eye of Sauron.
poacher light over there.
Poacher light.
Oh, it's nice. Hello, hello.
I don't know how fast that's going.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Oh yeah.
I was in my top gear. I was afraid you were going to try to whip past me.
No.
I was trying to go through one of those things. These wide handlebars coming to the last one, I was a little scared.
Close. Nah, I'll be honest. Last time we were going down the other side, and you went around and then freaking whipped it. That scared me. Oops, flush. Ah! But I only have two. Ah, catch it.